Adaptive Cruise Assist is one of the key elements of the Audi Driver Assist features and helps maintain a distance from a vehicle driving ahead. Braking and accelerating is necessary. On open roads with no traffic, Adaptive Cruise Assist functions the same as standard cruise control. When approaching a vehicle driving ahead, the Adaptive Cruise Assist automatically maintains a preset distance within the limitations of the system. To set the distance from the vehicle ahead, tap the rocker switch on the lever. The currently selected distance appears in the instrument cluster while in the driver assistance display, or below the speedometer when not in the driver assistance display. To increase or decrease the distance in increments, tap the rocker switch up or down. The greater the speed, the greater the distance necessary for safety. There are 5 distance settings, indicated by bars in the display. The more bars, the greater the distance. Distance is determined by the time interval between the vehicles and can vary depending on vehicle speed. In stop-and-go traffic, if a vehicle ahead comes to a stop, the Adaptive Cruise Assist is designed to automatically brake and remain at a stop. The Ready to Drive message must be active for Adaptive Cruise Assist to detect movement of the vehicle ahead. If you are stopped for a few seconds, the message will turn off and the vehicle will not accelerate automatically. To reactivate Ready to Drive for a few seconds, pull the lever toward you to the resume position and release. To turn the system off completely, push the lever away from you to the second detent position. The indicator light will go out and the previously set speed will not be stored. Adaptive Cruise Assist also works in conjunction with other driver assistance features. Please see the owner's manual for details on these functions.